The first step to painting laminate countertops is roughing up the surface enough to allow the paint to adhere well to it. We're using 100 grit sandpaper to do that. This isn't intended to remove the pattern or color of the laminate, just remove the slickness from the surface. Next, wash the surface with soap and water to remove the dust and any grease or grime that may be left. When the surface is dry, mask off any adjacent areas with painter's tapes. You'll need to use a brush to apply the counter paint in corners and crevices, but a foam roller is the best way to get a smooth finish on the flat areas of the counters. Be careful to avoid creating lap lines with the roller as you work across the counter. This brand of counter paint recommends a second coat just 60 minutes after the first. If you aren't able to apply it then, you'll need to wait 24 hours. With careful prep and application, the results can be pretty amazing.